5 easy AI tools every small business should use today. I want to recommend 5 easy AI tools every small business should use today. If you run a small business, a side hustle, or you're just starting online, chances are you're doing too much work by yourself. Writing posts, designing graphics, answering emails, creating videos, and managing tasks can quickly become overwhelming. The good news is AI tools can now do most of this work for you, even if you have zero technical skills. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 easy AI tools every small business should use in today with real examples of how they save time, reduce cost, and help businesses grow faster. Let's get started. Tool number 1. Jasper AI. AI Writing Assistant. The first tool every small business should know is Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps you create written content in seconds. What Jasper can do: write social media posts, create email newsletters, generate product descriptions, write blog posts and ads. Example, let's say you own a small clothing business. Instead of spending 30 minutes thinking about what to post on Instagram, you simply tell Jasper. Write an Instagram post promoting a summer dress sale for a small fashion brand. In seconds, Jasper generates a professional caption you can post immediately. Why this is great for small businesses: saves hours every week. No need to hire a copywriter. Helps you stay consistent online. Currently, content is still king, and Jasper makes content creation fast and affordable. Tool number 2. Canva AI Design Tool. Next is Canva AI, one of the most powerful tools for non-designers. If you've ever struggled with designing flyers, social media graphics, or presentations, Canva AI solves that problem. What Canva AI can do: design social media posts automatically, create logos, flyers, and banners, generate images using text prompts, suggest layouts and color combinations. Example: imagine you run a small restaurant. You type, create a Facebook post promoting a weekend food discount. Canva AI instantly creates a professional design with images, text, and layout, no graphic design skills required. Why Canva AI is perfect for small businesses: makes your brand look professional, saves money on designers, fast turnaround for marketing materials. Nowadays, companies with a professional appearance tend to draw in more customers, and Canva AI makes reaching that goal simple. Tool number 3. Pictory AI Video Creator. The third tool is Pictory, an AI tool that turns text into videos. Video content is one of the most powerful ways to market a business, but many small businesses avoid it because they don't want to appear on camera. Pictory solves this problem. What Pictory can do: turn blog posts into videos, convert scripts into marketing videos, add captions, music, and visuals automatically, create short videos for social media. Example: if you own an online coaching business, you can paste a short article or script into Pictory and it automatically creates a video with visuals and subtitles. You can then post that video on YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook, TikTok. Web Pictory is great for small businesses. No camera needed. Saves video editing time. Helps you reach more people through video. Today, businesses using video regularly grow faster and Pictory streamlines video creation. Tool number 4. Systeme.io AI Business Automation. Now let's talk about Systeme.io. Systeme.io is an all-in-one business platform that helps you automate your business processes. What Systeme.io can do: build landing pages, send automated emails, create sales funnels, sell digital products or courses. Example: imagine you sell a digital product or service. Someone signs up on your website. The Systeme.io automatically sends them a welcome email, delivers the product, follows up with helpful emails. You don't need to manually send anything. Why is Systeme.io powerful for small businesses? It saves time. It works 24/7. Systeme.io reduces manual work, and it helps you scale without hiring staff. Today, automation is an essential system. Systeme.io enables small businesses to function efficiently like large companies. Tool number 5. Notion AI Productivity Assistant. The final tool is Notion AI, a productivity and organization assistant. Small business owners often struggle with planning ideas and organization. Notion AI helps with that. What Notion AI can do? Organize tasks and projects. Summarize meeting notes. Brainstorm content ideas. Create business plans and workflows. Example. If you're planning your weekly content, you can ask Notion AI. Create a one-week content plan for a small business on social media. Notion AI instantly gives you ideas and structure. Why Notion AI is great for small businesses? It keeps everything organized. Notion AI improves focus and productivity. And it acts like a virtual assistant. Clarity and organization drive growth. Notion AI keeps you on track. To recap, the 5 easy AI tools every small business should use in today are: 1. Jasper AI for writing content. 2. Canva AI for design. 3. Pictory for video creation. 4. Systeme.io for automation. 5. Notion AI for productivity. All these tools help you save time, cut costs, and grow your business smarter. You'll find links to these tools in the description below. Some offer free trials, so you can test them before committing. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple AI tools that help small businesses grow. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.